Hello students, I am Anju Mathur of Raval Convent School. Today we are going to learn about the poem The Kite by Harry Benn. The poet has drawn a beautiful picture of the flying kite through words in this poem. We all love to see flying kites, but never noticed how it flies. Through this beautiful word picture of a flying kite, the poet is just persuading the readers to fly one and notice its beautiful moves. Before moving on to the poem, let's learn something about the poet. Harry Benn was born on September 24, 1898 in Yavapai County, Arizona. Benn taught writing at the University of Arizona from 1938 to 1947 and founded the University of Arizona Press in 1960. He published his first book of poetry, Siesta, in 1931 and at the urging of his children, began writing children's book. Let's move on to the poem. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, with a dive and a dip, it snaps its tails. The poet explains, a kite looks bright on a clear sky when it flies for the first time. It moves with softness and force together at the same time. To fly makes its tail to create a cracking sound in the air. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. In this stanza, the poet explains, such moves help it to float in the sky, just waves rising and falling with the sudden blow of the winds. It goes up to the highest point in the sky in a wavy manner, the way a ship moves on the ocean. But as soon as the wind slows down, it seems as if it has stopped there to rest. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows, and its wings feel, and up it goes. In this stanza, the poet explains, when the thread tied to the kite loosens, the flare runs and rolls its back. He waits till a new breeze blows again and fills its wings with air again to help it fly high. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a rarer thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree, rarer, torn or tattered. In this stanza, the poet says, a kite looks very bright and beautiful on a clear sky, but when it gets stuck on a tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor worn out look, which is not liked by anyone. Now there are some action words in the poem, like climbs means to go up, blows means to hit, soars means to fly, rides means to sit on the back of something and control its movement, falls means to draw down. Now there is a simile. The movement of the tailless kite is compared to a ship with a sail. In the last, I want to summarize the poem in short. In the clear sky means when there are no clouds, a kite will look bright in it. It will clearly noticeable. The kite hurls and with every wag its tail produces a cracking sound. Then while flying all of a sudden, the kite goes high on the top, just like a ship goes up and down on the crest of waves with a sail cloth. It moves forward when the wind is strong, but as the wind falls, it seems as if it is also taking a rest for a while in the air. Sometimes the thread tied to the kite loosens. The flyer tries to roll the thread and runs till a new breeze fills its wing. A kite really looks bright on a clear sky, but when it gets stuck on a tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor look. Hope you understood the poem. Thank you.